For the most part, any reasonable new computer or phone or laptop will get the job done for you, no doubt about it. Computers are like cars. There's no real lemons anymore with cars. There's no real lemons with computers anymore. Some are better than others for certain things, particularly if you want to say you're really, really awesome by saying that you've got a Mac, of course, as some people do, myself included. But for the most part, it's all a big wank, and that's a technical term too, and they all do the same thing. So not that important. The things that are important is your apps and your hardware. So hardware, then you will need a headset and mic. You will need one of those because you're going to talk to a lot of suppliers. Well worth getting one. Happy to share the one I got, which was about $40 off of Amazon. No dramas at all. And then as far as actual apps, then most people use WhatsApp. That's what most people in China, in India, that's what they're using. WhatsApp is the number one thing. As soon as you get outside of the Western world, the number one thing to use is WhatsApp. In the Western world, the number one thing is Skype. So you'll want to have both of them on your phone because one is applicable in some situations and the other in other situations. But if you've got those three things, WhatsApp, Skype, a decent headset and a microphone, you've got everything you need to build your business on Amazon as far as your hardware is actually concerned, your computers, etc. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.